up guys, welcome back. Another video. It's been a while. I did say that I was going to do an update on the sensors. We're going to hold off on that. I'm going to be showing you how to swap out your cabin filter. This is the cabin filter I'm going to be replacing. CF1060 cabin filter. Feels so light it doesn't feel like there's anything in there. Just got a regular one. You can definitely get better brands, but just picked up the regular one. No big deal, it still does the same thing. So open up your glove box. There's a tab here and a tab here. You're gonna push this in this way. It brings it down, and then on this side there's this guy here. You're gonna have to pull this out like that, and then this comes down like this. See that? And then right here, this guy here, it's a little door opening here. There's a tab on this side, another one here. You pull this out like this, and my cabin filter is filthy. Look at that. So we'll just take this out, do this outside, throw that one on the ground, floor. Look at all these particles. So switch this out. I do it every other oil change. I just check it. If it's ready to be swapped out, I'll pick one up. It gives you instructions on how to set it up. Installation guide. Alright, so it's got that flap piece there without the ridges like this. You see it there? This side goes down first. Push that side in. And that's it. Now let's slide this back in. And now you're breathing clean air. Don't forget to put back your, looks like a miniature strut. So that goes back into place. Here's the old one. You guys see how dirty that is? So all this stuff you breathe. It's not a good idea to be breathing all this stuff. Now we're going to be replacing the air filter. Same thing. Got the Protect brand. This is part number here. So on here, you got this one latch here. That's 1, 2, 3, and then this fourth one. I deleted. I don't know if you guys ever paid attention to this area. There's like an extra filter here. I deleted it because they don't sell a replacement for this. It was already filthy and air wasn't passing through as efficient as it was when the car was originally out. So yeah, this one's dirty too. So we're gonna get rid of this. There's a new one. Check that out. Same thing, it's got the tab here and the tab there. A lot better. Get better performance, MPG. So this only goes one way. This goes down with the ridges pointing down. Make sure you work this little gasket around the edges here. And cover back on. Snap this back into place. And we'll get rid of this. And that's how you replace the cabin filter, air filter. Now to move on to the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor, I added one bung to it. I'm gonna put an image of it right here of what I'm using for the sensor because it was throwing a check engine light. and I ended up putting another adapter to it, so the sensor is further away from the pipe in front of the catalytic converter, and it actually worked. No more check engine light. I don't throw a code for the cat anymore. The oxygen levels are changing. It's reading better with the ECUs picking it up right. No more check engine light. Same thing with the 3rd generation Prius. So yes, you guys can definitely do this. We're gonna check to see if I have any codes for the catalytic converter. So you're gonna have to hit your power to get your accessories to come on. So just get your accessories to come on. All right, and if you have an OBD2 scanner, any scanner, don't matter the brand, as long as it's able to read the codes on your car. There's a lot in the market. You could get the Bluetooth ones. There's so much in the market. This is what I have. This is an old Craftsman, a couple years old. I don't even think they still have it out. Maybe you can find it, but here's the brand, Craftsman, model number 47156, and it does ABS. So your port's down here to connect it. If I can get this in here. There we go. And we'll wait for this to load. And we're going to go through the options of vehicles. It has lots of makes and models. So next, 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 until you see Toyota or your vehicle. And then prompts you to, it's asking you if it's your vehicle. Yes. So up here, all my readings are green. You guys see that? The catalytic converter, everything's green. And I have no DTCs. The car is in good shape. Down here you have these 3 indicators, these 3 lights. When this light is in the middle, some issues are going on, not completely enough to throw the check engine. And when it's red, it definitely throws a check engine. So it's always a good thing that your scanner is lighting up green, at least this one, or even on your DTCs, everything's coming out green here. It's always a good thing. So guys, this is definitely an easy fix for that issue. Even if you have an original catalytic converter and you've never replaced it, and the only issue you have is the check engine light coming on and it's throwing a code, try putting an adapter on the O2 sensor. It could buy you some time and definitely help you out for the meantime, because I know that resources are tight for a lot of us. So pick one of those up, try it out. If it works, then hey, that's better than paying top dollar at the moment, and it'll get you by you some more time. It works, guys. It works. Try it out. Try it out. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, and appreciate everybody that's been showing support and hitting the thumbs up, leaving comments. I like interacting with you guys. Share your stories. You know, we're trying to just get the channel to keep growing and growing. Thank you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be an interesting video.